Hey everybody, welcome back. So today I have a tutorial on the NYX Make Me Away We Glow palette. So I have that, and then I already have my foundation on. I'm using the IT Cosmetics one with the e.l.f. finishing powder. And I also did my brows with my e.l.f. eyebrow pencils. So I'm just going to jump in quite quickly into this, and I'm just going to go in with the cream shade here. And we are going to dust this all over and focusing it more on the brow like I normally do. So we can focus on that. This is the palette I got from my last haul. So if you recently saw that, I will link it in the whatever. I kind of got to remember where to go. I think it's this way. Yeah, I think it's this way if I'm right. Great for me. If not, then haha. Joke's on me. So I'm just dipping into that. This shade is called number 5 or number 1. Anyhow, it's just a cream shade. The next shade I'm going to dip into is, it's like, it has some glitters in it. So that's the next shade I'm going to use. I just wanted to show you. It has a little bit of shimmer in it. So, but I have never used it, so I don't know how much that will transfer. So I'm just going to place that into the crease and we'll go from there. That is surprisingly pigmented. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit so that we can... So the next shade I'm going to go in with is this shade right here. It's completely matte. It doesn't have any surprises in it. So I'm just going to take that and kind of focus that here just on the outer corner portion of the lid. I am surprisingly, like, I am so pleased with the way this is working. This is so beautiful. Alright, so I'm going to go in and kind of be a little bit bold because I'm just feeling it. I'm loving the way that this is going. I'm going to take this shade right here, and it has a little bit of a green iridescence to it. It just looks so beautiful. I'm just going to take that on a small shadow brush and kind of try to get most of that color onto the lid. Because it's like kind of greeny gold. It's really pretty. This shade right here, it's a little bit of a shimmery shade. And I'm just going to blend that a little bit into the crease so that we can blend the green lid color with the crease. But also kind of not be stark color change. And then we'll go and add a little bit, kind of go back and forth so that we have a nice blend. Okay, to finish it off, I'm just going to take the original color that we used at the beginning and then just pack that back on and blend everything out. I keep thinking that there's a mirror in this palette because I'm like, there is not one, so I have to use my mirror. Mind your own biscuits and life will be gravy. Now I'm going to dip back into the cream shade that we used at the beginning and just kind of blend through our brows a bit. Alright, so I just put on my Pretty Vulgar liner, and I'm going to go ahead and put these Red Cherry lashes, Red Cherry 42 lashes on, and then we'll be right back and finish everything up. Alright, while our lashes are setting, I'm going to go ahead and take this shade in here. We haven't used this one yet. It's like, I don't know. It's like a light tan with a bit of shimmer. It's really pretty. I think it might be just like perfect on the lower lash line. So it's kind of subtle. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and powder under my eyes with my e.l.f. powder that I super love. And just go ahead and do that. And then I can apply some mascara. The mascara I'm using is not cruelty free, but it's kind of almost out the door. It's the Almay One Coat Extreme Length, but I really like it for when I have lashes on. So I'm going to take a bit more of that kind of green shimmery shade and place that on the inner corner. And then I think we're done with our eyes. And then we can contour. And I'm not sure what I'm going to contour with today. let's kind of do bronze highlight, bronze contour thing. I'm just going to take Too Faced Sweet Tea and swirl all these together and just kind of do like the C effect right here. On the forehead. This is a brush from, oh, is that name? Aesthetics. It's something. So, the other Too Faced one. This is Too Faced Candy Glow. For highlight, I'm gonna take my butter highlight from Physicians Formula and use that. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, pow. Take some on the tip of this brush and just kind of hit the brow bone, and then we'll go down the nose with it. Ooh, I'm just loving the way this is all coming out. I'm gonna take this one from NYX. I'll take this one. This is Rags to Riches from NYX Turn Up lipstick stuff thingamajig. Ooh, that might be too bright. Oh well. Our eye is like kind of neutral. This feels so creamy. Let's finish it off with some primer water because I like it for a setting spray as well. Alright guys, so that is going to be at the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss out on any more fun with me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!